Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create folders on home screen like this one on AGM Pad P2. You can see that it already comes with a pre-installed Google folder, and you can create your own by pressing and holding on an app you want to add to the folder, then dragging it over another app you want to have in the folder, then releasing, and you can see these two apps are in a folder together. You can add more on top of that, like that, and then open the folder. You can change the name of it, approve, and this is your folder. To remove an app from the folder, press and hold on it, then drag it out of the folder and place it somewhere on your home screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.